Hello students, welcome to Grammar Skills class. Today we are going to learn about possessive pronouns and demonstrative pronouns. This is part 2 of pronouns. In part 1 of pronouns, I have already explained what is a pronoun and one of its type, that is personal pronoun. You can watch video of personal pronoun part 1 through the link given in the description box. So let's start the topic. First, we will learn about possessive pronouns. Students, I have a pen in my hand. Fine. If I say this pen is mine, let us write this. If I say this pen is mine, what does it mean? It means that this pen belongs to me. It means that this pen belongs to me. I have possession on this pen. यह पेन मेरा है, means इस पेन पर मेरा possession है, मेरा अधिकार है. If I write a sentence, those books are yours. Those books are yours. वो books आपकी हैं. So what does the word yours mean here? The word yours means that you have possession on those books. You have possession on those books. The books belongs to you. Okay. So children, the word mine shows possession on the noun. Which noun? Pen. The mine word shows possession on the pen, and pen is a noun. Here the word yours shows possession on the books, and books are what? It is also a noun. So children, books and pen, what are these? These are nouns. So the words which show possession, like mine, yours, hers, his, there are some words which show possession. These words are known as possessive pronouns. Students, you have to keep in your mind that after using a possessive pronoun, we will not use a noun. For example, if I write this pen is mine pen. So this is a wrong sentence. After mine, mine is what? As I told you, it is a possessive pronoun. So after possessive pronoun, we will not use a noun. Why? Because pronouns are the words which are used in place of noun. What are pronouns? Pronouns are the words which are used in place of noun. जो noun के स्थान पर प्रयोग में लाए जाते हैं वो pronoun कहलाते हैं. तो mine क्या है? Possessive pronoun है. Yours क्या है? Possessive pronoun है. तो हम यहाँ भी those books are yours books नहीं लिखेंगे हम. ये क्या हो जाएगा? ये wrong है. ठीक है. तो हम those books are yours लिखेंगे क्योंकि yours को हमने किसके स्थान पर यूज़ किया है? नाउन के स्थान पर यूज़ किया है. तो स्टूडेंट्स, पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन क्या होते हैं? पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन वो वर्ड्स होते हैं जो पोजेशन शो करते हैं. पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस आर द वर्ड्स विच शो पोजेशन और ऑनरशिप और रिलेशनशिप ऑफ वन पर्सन और अ थिंग विद द अनदर पर्सन और अनदर थिंग. किसी एक पर्सन व्यक्ति का किसी दूसरे पर्सन और व्यक्ति से क्या रिलेशन है उसको वो शो करते हैं. लेट अस सी द डेफिनेशन. सो स्टूडेंट्स, what are possessive pronouns? Possessive pronouns are the words that show possession. वो words जो कि possession को बताते हैं और relationship of one person or thing to another person or thing, जो किसी एक person और thing और दूसरे किसी person या thing के साथ में उसके relation को बताते हैं, वो क्या कहलाते हैं? Possessive pronouns. कुछ examples possessive pronouns के हैं. Mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. These are the words which are used as possessive pronouns. Fine. Students, you have to learn one more thing, that हिज का जो यूज़ है हम एज ए पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन भी करते हैं और पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव के रूप में भी हिज को यूज़ में लाया जाता है। पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव क्या होता है ये मैं आपको समझाऊंगी व्हेन आई विल एक्सप्लेन एडजेक्टिव्स इन द अपकमिंग videos. At present we are learning about the possessive pronouns, so I am explaining you possessive pronoun here. आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि his का यूज़ possessive pronoun और possessive adjective दोनों की तरह ही किया जाता है। तो स्टूडेंट्स कौन कौन से वर्ड्स होते हैं जो possessive pronoun की तरह यूज़ होते हैं? वो वर्ड्स हैं mine, yours, his, hers, ours, theirs. Fine. Students, look at this table. I have written here subject pronouns, object pronouns, possessive pronouns. What are subject pronouns and object pronouns? This I have already explained in pronouns part 1. Subject pronouns are pronouns which are used as a subject in place of nouns in a sentence, and object pronouns are the pronouns which are used as an object in place of nouns in a sentence. This all of you know. Fine. Now if subject pronoun is I, then as an object pronoun we will use me, and as a possessive pronoun for I we will use mine. What we will use? Mine. We will not write I there. Fine. So let us take one example. If I write I have a bag. I have a bag. The bag is, what I will write here? For I, which possessive pronoun I will use? I will use mine. Which possessive pronoun I will use? I will use mine. So what I will write here? The bag is mine. Fine? समझ में आया? वी के लिए एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन हम अस यूज़ करते हैं और पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन के रूप में हम आर्स यूज़ करते हैं। यू के लिए एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन हम यू ही यूज़ करेंगे और पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन के रूप में हम योर्स का यूज़ करेंगे। ही के लिए एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन, सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन तो ही है तो ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन हिम होगा और पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन हिज होगा। जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले समझाया, हिज का यूज़ हम पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन के रूप में भी करते हैं और पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव के रूप में भी करते हैं। ये मैं आपको पहले समझा चुकी हूँ। पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव क्या होता है, दिस आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू इन द अपकमिंग वीडियो व्हेन आई विल एक्सप्लेन पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव्स। नाउ इट, फॉर इट, इफ सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन इज इट, वी विल यूज इट ओनली एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन, बट we don't have possessive form of it. It can be used as subject pronoun, but there is no possessive form for it in the possessive pronouns. Fine. Possessive pronouns के लिए its का या it का हम use नहीं करते हैं. We use its. Its का हम use करते हैं, but we use it as an एडजेक्टिव, मीन्स पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव के रूप में हम उसका यूज़ करते हैं। कैसे करते हैं जब मैं आपको एडजेक्टिव समझाऊंगी उस वीडियो में आप देखेंगे। दे के लिए ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन देम होगा और देयर्स का यूज़ हम जो है एज ए पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन करेंगे। आई थिंक आपको ये समझ में आया होगा कि एज ए सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन हम कौन से प्रोनाउन यूज़ करते हैं, एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन हम कौन से प्रोनाउन यूज़ करते हैं और इन द पोजेसिव फॉर्म हम कौन कौन से प्रोनाउंस का यूज़ करते हैं। हेयर आई हैव रिटन सम रूल्स फॉर यू। वंस यू विल लर्न दीज रूल्स you can easily use possessive pronouns without making any mistake. Fine. Now let us see. The first rule is the pronoun it. It is a subject pronoun. All of you know. The pronoun it does not have possessive form. This I explained to you. We don't have possessive form for the pronoun it. It is subject pronoun, but it cannot be used as a possessive pronoun or in possessive form. Its is always used as a possessive adjective. As I told you that I will explain adjectives, then at that time I will explain you what are possessive adjectives. But you have to learn this. You have to keep in your mind that it does not have possessive form, but it can be used as a possessive adjective. Fine. Okay, do not use apostrophe to show possessions. Sometimes students write like, for example, yours. Okay, students, they do mistake. What they do, they put apostrophe here. This is wrong. When you are using yours as possessive pronoun, you will not use apostrophe. Fine. So never use apostrophe for yours or any other possessive pronoun. Fine. Okay, do not use a noun after possessive pronoun. As I told you, possessive pronoun, which are possessive pronouns? Mine, his, hers, yours, theirs. These are possessive pronouns. So when we will use them, we will not use a noun, name of any person, thing or animal after that. That will be wrong. This I have already explained you. Fine. Now pronouns are the words which are used in place of noun. Okay, possessive pronouns, they replace the noun. Fine. So you will not use any noun. For example, this house is hers. If I write like this is a correct sentence, because hers is what? It is a possessive pronoun. But if I write this house is hers house, then what is this house? House is a noun. So but I have explained to you that we will not use a noun after possessive pronoun. So this is wrong. Fine. So when you will use possessive pronoun, you will not write any naming word, any noun after it. Fine. This is clear to you? Let us do practice with some examples. Students, there are few sentences for your practice. Read the sentences and fill the given blanks with the possessive pronouns. Pause the video and solve the exercise. Now, let us discuss the exercise. My aunt has a red car. The red car is. Now, who has the red car? My aunt. Aunt is a person who is female. Fine. For this, which possessive pronoun you will use? Subject pronoun we use she, and object pronoun we use her, and possessive pronoun, which possessive pronoun we will use? We will use hers. The red car is hers. This house belongs to Raj. So Raj is a boy. Okay, Raj is a person, he is a boy. This house belongs to Raj. This house is, which possessive pronoun we will use? We will write his. Fine. Good. That is your bat. The bat is, which possessive pronoun will come? The bat is yours. These books belong to me. These books are for me. Me is object pronoun. Which possessive pronoun we will use? Mine. We bought that house last year. That house is for we. We is subject pronoun. So which possessive pronoun we will use here? Ours. Fine. Students, I hope possessive pronouns आपको बहुत अच्छे तरह से समझ में आ गए होंगे. अब हम पढ़ेंगे demonstrative pronouns. Students, now we will learn demonstrative pronouns. I have written here few sentences. Okay, let us read these sentences first. This is the bicycle I bought last year. यह वह बाइसिकल है जो मैंने लास्ट ईयर पिछले साल खरीदी थी. Which bicycle I bought last year? This bicycle. Means the word this. Here the word this is used to point out the bicycle. Means this particular bicycle I bought last year. यह वह bicycle है जिसे मैंने पिछले साल खरीदा था. Here those are apple trees. If I say those are apple trees, so I am going to point out. यहाँ point out किया जा रहा है किसकी तरफ? apple trees की तरफ. That is the house where we used to live. Which house? That house. So the word that is used to, so the word that is here used to point out the house. Okay children. So children, there are some words which are used to point out things or person or any object. They are known as demonstrative pronouns. What are these called? Demonstrative pronouns. The words this, that, these, those are the words which are used as demonstrative pronouns in the sentences. Actually, the word demonstrative is derived from the word demonstrate, which is a verb, and demonstrate means to point out. What is the meaning of demonstrate? To point out, or to point out, or to indicate. Fine. So demonstrative has been derived from the word demonstrate, which means to point out. So there are some words which are used to point out the person, things or object. They are demonstrative pronouns. Which are these words? These are this, that, these and those. So what are demonstrative pronouns? Demonstrative pronouns are the words or the pronouns which are used to point out object or objects it refers to. So let us see the definition. So what are demonstrative pronouns? A pronoun that is used to point out, as I have explained you with the example. Here this is the bicycle. Now the word this is used to point out the bicycle. Fine. Those are apple trees. Here the word those is used to point out those apple trees. So a pronoun that is used to point out the object or objects which it refers to is called a demonstrative pronoun. Fine. Now which words are used as demonstrative pronouns? This, that, these and those are the words which we use as demonstrative pronouns. Fine. Students, we have learnt that demonstrative pronouns are the pronouns which are used to point out the object or objects which it refers to. Okay. Now demonstrative pronouns are the pronouns which are used to point out the object. Object is what? That is a noun. To point out the noun. This we have learnt. Yes. Now there are some rules which you have to learn to use the demonstrative pronouns correctly in the sentences. So let us see. Now first rule is this and that is used with the singular number. Means when the person or the object is one, then you will use this and that. These and those are used when the number is plural. Plural means more than one. It can be 2 or 20. Fine. So if the number of objects or person is more than one, means it is a plural number. With that we will use these and those as a demonstrative pronoun. Rule number 2. This and these are used for the things or the objects or the person who are near to us. For example, I have a pen. Okay, here. So what I will say? This is a pen because it is near to me. And if I keep this pen on the table, on that table, then what I will say? That is a pen. Fine. So the things which are near to us, for that we will use this. When the number is 1, mean when the object is in singular number. When the object is in plural number and those things are near to us, we will use these. Fine. That is used when the object is far from us and that object should be 1. It should be in singular number. Then we will use that. If I say that is a pen or that pen is mine. So here that I have used for that pen which is kept little far from me. Fine. Now those is used for more than one things or one objects which are far from the speaker or far from. For example, if I say those are the books which I read yesterday, means which books? Those books, means the books, they are not kept near to me. They are kept far from me. So those is used for the plural number which is far in distance. Understood? Now rule number 3, demonstrative pronouns are usually placed before the verbs. For example, if I write here, this is a bag. So is a verb. So I have used this for before this. So demonstrative pronouns are usually placed before the verbs. We will not use a noun after demonstrative pronoun. Means if we are using this as a demonstrative pronoun, we will not use here noun. What we will use? We will use a verb after demonstrative pronoun. Fine? Students, the fourth rule is, generally we use demonstrative pronouns for things, but we use them for people when the person is identified. Means generally we use them for the objects or things, this, that, these and those, as demonstrative pronouns, but we use them for the person also. Means we can use them for a man, for a woman, for a boy or a girl when the person is identified, जब हम उसको पहचानते हों. फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ देखिए मैंने एक एग्जाम्पल लिखा है, These are the boys who helped the blind man. Means the speaker knows those boys. ये वो लड़के हैं जिन्होंने उस blind man की help की. Means ये यहाँ पर these का यूज़ किसके लिए किया गया है? उन boys को point out करने के लिए. और boys क्या हैं? Noun है. ठीक है, यहाँ पर ये boys identified हैं. जो स्पीकर है, जो बोल रहा है, वो ये जानता है कि कौन से लड़के, जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल बहुत सारे बॉयज़ हैं, उनके बीच में आकर कोई कहता है कि दीज आर द बॉयज़ हु हेल्प दैट ब्लाइंड मैन. मीन्स दीज बॉयज़ आर आइडेंटिफाइड. सो वी कैन यूज़ डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस दिस, दैट, दीज एंड दोज फॉर द पर्सन whom we know or who is identified. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक और लेते हैं हम, जैसे हम फ़ोन पर बात करते हैं. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपका नाम राज है और आप किसी अपने दोस्त से बात कर रहे हैं जिसका नाम रोहन है. आपने फ़ोन किया, आप ये नहीं कहेंगे हेलो आई एम राज. व्हाट यू विल से? हेलो दिस इज़ राज स्पीकिंग, इज़ दैट रोहन. तो यहाँ पर आपने दिस और दैट का यूज़ किया फॉर पर्सन, है ना, किसके लिए? जो आइडेंटिफाइड है. सो चिल्ड्रन, ये कुछ रूल्स थे डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस में जो हम यूज़ करते हैं. इन्हें आपको लर्न करना है, आप इन्हें नोट डाउन भी कर सकते हैं और इन्हें अच्छे से आप याद कर लें, ताकि जब आप डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस का यूज़ करें उस समय आप कोई भी गलती ना करें. स्टूडेंट्स, हियर आर फ्यू सेंटेंसेस इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. फिल द ब्लैंक्स विद द करेक्ट डिमॉन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस. Let us discuss. Here is my room. Dash is my favorite place. Now देखो बच्चों, यहाँ क्या लिखा है? Here is my room. ये मेरा कमरा है या यहाँ मेरा कमरा है. तो हम कोई भी प्लेस जो हमारे पास में है उसकी बात कर रहे हैं. तो रूम क्या है? वन है. तो उसके लिए हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे? दिस. क्या यूज़ करेंगे? दिस. Here is my room. This is my फेवरेट प्लेस. लुक ओवर देयर. लुक ओवर देयर, वहाँ देखिए. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना, वहाँ देखो आप. लुक ओवर देयर. डैश इज़ माई स्कूल. तो हम थोड़े डिस्टेंस पर हम किसी को कोई चीज़ दिखा रहे हैं तो हम क्या कहते हैं? लुक ओवर देयर, वहाँ देखिए. तो यहाँ क्या आना चाहिए? दैट. दैट इज़ माई स्कूल. आर डैश योर पेन्स. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल कुछ पेन्स हैं जो वहाँ टेबल पर रखे हैं और वो मुझसे थोड़े डिस्टेंस पे हैं. तो मैं क्या बोलूँगी? आर दोज योर पेन्स. यस, अगर मेरे पास में रखे हैं तो मैं क्या बोलूँगी? आर दीज योर पेन्स. फाइन. तो हम यहाँ क्या लिख सकते हैं? दोज. मैं यहाँ दोज लिख रही हूँ, हम दीज का भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. डैश आर द पीपल हु हेल्प एवरीवन. नाउ पीपल ज़्यादा लोगों के लिए यूज़ होता है ना. तो हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे यहाँ पे? दीज आर द पीपल हु हेल्प एवरीवन. और यहाँ पर हम दोज आर द पीपल हु हेल्प एवरीवन, हम दोनों ही लिख सकते हैं. फाइन, दोनों ही करेक्ट हैं. डैश आर द बुक्स यू आस्क्ड फॉर, ये वो बुक्स हैं जो जिसके लिए आपने कहा था। तो कौन सी बुक्स, यहाँ पे क्या यूज़ करेंगे हम, बुक्स के लिए क्या यूज़ करेंगे, दिस और दैट का तो हम यूज़ नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि बुक्स क्या है, प्लूरल नंबर है। तो हम क्या लिखेंगे, या तो हम लिख सकते हैं दीज आर द बुक्स, ये वो बुक्स हैं जिनके लिए आपने कहा था, या फिर दोज आर द बुक्स, व्हाट विल यू यूज़, दीज आर द बुक्स यू आस्क्ड फॉर। फाइन स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप आपको पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस और डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउंस समझ में आए होंगे। यदि आपको वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और नोटिफिकेशन बेल भी दबाएं। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग इट।